Dear student, the hardest thing in life is which bridge to cross and which to burn. As we all know that knowledge and hard work are very pertinent in becoming an IS officer. As we all know that UPSC preliminary examination is on the anvil. So in this particular crucial moment, one has to be very tactful as which are the most important topic which one has to keep in his or her arsenal and which topic are the most irrelevant. So in order to deal with this dichotomy, the Chandigarh Civil Services has come up with the new course where all the important topic in the last 1 year, whether static or current, will be covered by the most experienced faculty of the Tri-City. So, dear candidate, this is the time to prepare yourself with such an exigent topic. If you neglect these topics at this crucial moment, then might be it is the biggest blunder being committed by you. So yes, for the further more details, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel where all the future updates will be updated with the notification. And yes, dear candidates, in order to emerge victorious in this scrutiny examination, these most highlighted and important topics of the various component will be served in your platter. So stay tuned and connected with the Chandigarh Civil Services. For the further more detail, you can contact with the Chandigarh Civil Services. So candidate, all the best. This is the time to hone your preparation with all these topics. So stay tuned and connected. Thank you.